Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a preset in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After the picture loads, and after we finish editing it, we can create a preset. A preset is basically a saved group of settings that we can reuse the other pictures. To create a preset, we have to tap on these three buttons in the top right corner, and then find the Create Preset option. If we tap on Create Preset, we can select the modifications and select the parts of the editing that we want to be included in this preset. So let's say we have a specific light editing that we like, then we can create a preset that has the light effects that we did. And then after selecting the different aspects of the preset, we can name the preset and also add it to a preset group, and then save it by tapping on the little OK symbol in the top right corner. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.